I have finally cracked the code to making easy passive income online, and it's all done with this crypto bot that anyone can run without any knowledge of crypto. With this simple method, I've been passively earning on average $10K a month, which has allowed me to invest into other internet marketing projects, so I can continue to grow my income. But before that, let me tell you how I got here. Just about a year ago, I was struggling to earn income online. I was watching tons of YouTube tutorial videos, but none of them would ever work. I even tried this one that said I would earn $500 from just listening to music. Yeah, it was a total scam. And I'm sure some of you guys have tried it as well. I was starting to lose hope, but I got really lucky, and everything changed once I joined this Discord server for internet marketers and people looking to earn online. There was this one guy called Septic, and he kept showing how much he was earning and would flex screenshots of his crypto wallet and PayPal balance. Me and him were getting along in chat, so I decided to DM him and started asking him questions about how is he earning so much online. We then got into a call, and he explained to me exactly what he's doing. Hey Septic, thanks so much for letting me call you, mate. I really appreciate it.
No problem, bro. Nice to meet you, by the way. Also, if you want to learn how I'm earning, I can definitely share it with you. It's actually a really simple method.
Bro, if you share it with me, oh my god, I will be so happy, because I've literally been struggling online so much and really just want to be able to earn for once.
Okay, no worries, man. I got you. It's actually quite simple. My main income is coming from this crypto bot that legit finds lost crypto wallets. It's called CoinLink. Basically, it tests millions of seed phrases and passively finds wallets with real money in them.
Wow, are you serious? That's actually insane. So you don't even have to do anything? You just turn it on and go about your day?
Yeah, that's basically all I have to do. It's really easy. Also, if you do buy the bot, it comes with an ebook that shows you where to invest your initial profits from the bot. It mentions stuff like YouTube automation and even OnlyFans agency, which is amazing.
That's actually so insane. So if I want the bot, where do I get it?
Oh yeah, just go to CoinLink VIP. You can buy the bot there. They only take crypto, by the way, but you get the bot instantly after paying.
Wow, thanks so much, Septic. I really appreciate it. I wasted no time and went right over to CoinLink VIP and bought the bot. And yes, it's true, it did come with a super sick ebook that's loaded with amazing info. But guys, I've had the bot now for 3 months and have been earning passively with it. My highest day I've earned was $600. I found a Bitcoin wallet with $200 and a Litecoin wallet with $400 that day. It was honestly so amazing. And at the time the bot was running, I was playing video games, which made it even more amazing. There's even a Telegram group where real members post vouchers of the bot if you guys are also looking for more proof that it works. But I couldn't be more happy with this bot. It literally is the easiest passive income I've ever earned. Now I'm using the funds to start up a YouTube automation channel in long-form videos and also shorts. Members in the Telegram are also doing this with their profits of the bot, which is amazing. And one guy said his new channel is doing great already and has making Minecraft videos and invested money from the bot by getting an editor and Photoshop thumbnail maker. Overall, if you guys are looking for the easiest way to make money online and get free crypto, I highly recommend you get the CoinLink bot and let it work its magic. It takes no skill required, you just turn it on and let it run all day. And the best part is that you don't need a good PC computer to let it run. You can have low RAM and CPU and still run it completely fine. And to withdraw the money from the wallets, it's simple. All you do is use the seed phrase for the wallet it finds, log into the wallet, then withdraw the coins and send it to your own wallet address. Then from there you can do whatever you want with that. You can leave it in your wallet or withdraw it to your bank and get real hard cash. The process to get your funds takes under 10 minutes, and you don't have to know anything about crypto to do it. It's really simple, trust me. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.